La la la. Ruff, ruff.
Keep hold, partner. We're almost there.
Arf, arf, yeah, almost there.
We're here.
Woohoo! Cabbages!
Almost there. Push harder. Got it, got it. We did it, yay. Oh no, the storm is here. We have to hurry.
Hold on tight. It's too strong. Just a little more. Quick, to the house.
Oh no! The cabbages are all flying away! Don't worry, we'll get them back somehow.
Oh no. Our beautiful purple cabbages.
Come on, you can do it. We're not gonna get away.
Oh no. Oh no. Not now. Oh, stuck. Help, help. My tractor is broken. I need your help. Where are you? I'm coming right now.
Arf. This is character A.
Yeah, I got it.
Arf, arf.
Look, the engine's on fire. It's smoking terribly.
I see it. It looks like a hydraulic fluid leak. Let's use the Jeep's winch to pull it out.
I've got the fire out. Cable's hooked up. Winch engaged. We did it.
Needs a tighter connection.
Almost got it.
Look, it's working.
Great job. We make a perfect team. Oh,
High five.
let's go.
Goodbye.
Almost there, little buddy.
Look, we made it to the barn.
Just in time. The rake is in.
Need a hand with that shovel?
Thanks. Let's get it loaded. Time to start our purple cabbages.
Look, they're sparkling.
Yes, they're ready to grow.
All right, the water's ready.
And the drone's powered up.
Let's go tend the crops. Time for adventure. Looks like the storm hit here.
We can fix it. The soil looks good.
We're making great progress.
Look what I did. Good job.
Look at them go. They're so pretty.
Keep going. The sprouts need lots of water.
You got it, friend.
Time to make these cabbages big. Yeah, we'll have a great harvest.
Woohoo! Look, we did it.
Almost there, little buddy.
Woohoo! What a ride!
La la.
Thank you. Bye.
Good name. Hello. Oh no.
Come on.
Thank you. Bye.
Let's go! Oh! Come on!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Come on!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Oh my gosh!
Here we go!
Come on!
Hula! Oh!
Okay! Come on! Let's go! Oh boy! Come on!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.
Okay!
Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang.